Hi guys, welcome back to Traces of Twan's Life. In this video, you're going to see clips of a reverse osmosis system getting installed by Culligan water. A reverse osmosis system is a process that removes foreign contaminants, solid substances, large molecules, and minerals from water by using pressure to push it through specialized membranes. The system improves water for drinking, cooking, and other important uses. This is a really neat system that this guy here is installing. It pre-filters the water by connecting the system to the main water line. And then after it, pre-filters the water, the reverse osmosis cycle goes on where it removes all the contaminants and everything. Then it stores the water into this big, like a small tank up under your sink. And from my understanding, it can hold up to 2 gallons of water at a time for your use of cooking and drinking. And then it just kind of keep running itself and keep pre-filtering and keep restoring the water for you. Did that blight tube just go inside the main pipe?
Yeah, it's a drain line.
Oh,
Yes,
that's neat.
ma'am. Yeah, jam in there about a foot or two, and then she'll never pull out.
Okay. So everybody, this is what we call the osmosis system. This filters the water for you to drink and cook with clean water. I think it removes all of the chlorine and iron and things like that out of the water. Batteries. Interesting. Yes, right. So will it let me know when the battery is going low?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, it does.
And when it go low, do I change them or do Culligan come back out and change them?
There's little battery indicators on here as you go to
Okay.
use it, and then there's one down here, a flash saying replace batteries.
Okay. Okay. So those are D batteries?
Yeah, D batteries and then
And
2 AAA.
2 AAA. Gotcha. Ooh. Like stuff look like charcoal.
Yeah, I just got one little extra filter I added. It wasn't rinsed out yet.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna put some safety clips on here and we're done.
Oh, that was fast. In and out. I like that.
Oh, I can do like 15 of these a day.
Oh, wow.
That's all she wrote.
That's it?
Yep, you can drink that right now. So
Okay. And so what is the thing on the counter?
that's what switches it over.
Okay.
So you turn it on cold. You have regular water pressure, and then whenever you want your drinking water, you press the button. And then whenever it cuts down, that's your drinking water.
That's a drinking
And
water.
then whenever you're done, press the button and it goes back.
And when I press it, I see it lit up blue.
Yep, and then the water pressure cuts in half.
Oh, I like that.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
All right, Culligan, y'all fancy. I see you. I see you. Oh, and it doesn't mount, so I
No,
can
you can move it
it.
wherever you want. Yes. Yep.
Oh, I like that. And there we have it, y'all. That's the Osmosis system by Culligan.
I get to drive an hour.
They're located in Plant City, Florida, y'all. For all y'all that's in the areas of Polk County, Pinellas, Hillsborough, Hardin County, Pasco County. Y'all better call them up. Thank you so much,
No
Ryan. I
problem.
appreciate you.
Yep, you have a wonderful rest of your day.
Same to you.
I'm gonna drive almost all day.
Okay, so let's do a repeat. Let's do a repeat of what the Culligan man showed me. You turn the water on. And you press this down. And the water switches over. That's your drinking water and your cooking water. Comes out of the same faucet. You don't have to put another faucet in your sink. And you turn it off, it goes back to the regular water. Now this water is also we have the Culligan water softener outside, so it's the water from that. I like this. Turn on. Turn off. Turn on. Turn off. Technology is something else.